Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a geotechnical soil classification problem for your FE review. In this case, we're going to be doing the classification using the USCS Soil Classification System. So we already have a video on the AASHTO classification system on the channel, so make sure to check that one out as well, because you need to know both of these for your FE exam. So for this one, we're given the specifications for our soil sample. It consists of sand with 90% of the particles passing through a number 4 sieve, 4% fines passing through a number 200 sieve, and the soil features a uniformity coefficient of 7 and a coefficient of curvature of 2. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to our FE reference manual. So in this case, the classification table is going to be on page 267, so you can find that right here. And the way that we are going to classify the soil is we just go work our way from the left side of the table to the right side. So the first thing that makes a distinction is between coarse grain soils and fine grain soils. So it depends on how much of the soil passes the number 200 sieve. So let's go ahead and look at what we have. We have a soil that consists of 4% fines passing through the number 200 sieve. So 4%, that means that we have more than 50% retained on the number 200 sieve. So we know so far that it's a coarse grain soil. So then the next differentiator is if it's gravel or if it's sand, and that's going to depend on how much passes through the number 4 sieve. So let's go ahead and take a look at our soil specifications. So here we see that it consists predominantly of sand with 90% passing through the number 4 sieve. So it would be sand like the problem was telling us, but just to double check, we can look at the percentage. So then we need to see if it has less than 5% fines or more than 12% fines, to see if it's clean sands or sand with fines. So for ours, it looks like we have 4% fines passing. So in that case, it's going to be a clean sand with less than 5% fine. And then finally, the next differentiators for us here would be to take a look at the coefficient of uniformity and the coefficient of curvature. So for ours, it's going to be 7 and 2 for each one. So for our coefficient of uniformity, we have 7. So here it's going to be greater than or equal to 6. And then our coefficient of curvature is 2. So that looks like it's right in between the 1 and the 3, which corresponds to a well-graded sand. If you take a look at these ones right here, these don't really fit the parameters for the coefficients that we were given. So after doing the entire classification from the left side of the table to the right side of the table, we can see that our answer is going to be the well-graded sand right here, the SW. So if we just go back to our question, we are going to get that the answer is the well-graded sand. So that is how you conduct a soil classification using the United Soil Classification System. You just go to the FE reference manual, you take the information you were given in the problem statement, and you work your way from the left side of the table to the right side of the table. It pretty much works the same way with the AASHTO classification. It's just a little bit different. So like I said, make sure you also check that video out. Because there is a few differences between the two systems. But if this video helped you, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, please make sure to leave a like and leave a comment with what you would like to see us cover in the future. And we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a good one.